If you're experiencing server timeout issues in The Sims 4, follow these steps to help reduce the frequency of these interruptions. This guide will walk you through some effective methods. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching The Sims 4, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This can free up system resources and improve your overall gaming experience, which may help with server connectivity. Step 3. Change game settings. Adjust the in-game settings to optimize performance. Lowering graphics settings or disabling online features may help reduce the load on the server and improve your connection stability. Step 4. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection if possible. A wired connection is generally more stable and can reduce latency, which may help prevent server timeouts. Step 5. Contact EA support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to EA support for assistance. They can provide further troubleshooting steps or inform you of any ongoing server issues that may be affecting your gameplay. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce server timeout issues in The Sims 4 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.